Welcome back. Now to install the Pro version of TurboZon Builder Pro, you will do the exact same as you did with the basic version. You are going to put the two files to the zip to the Pro version onto a directory where you want it to be. Once you get that there, then you're going to take the run PHP file. You're going to run that inside of your browser. So let's take a look at what that will look like in terms of URL inside of your browser. So when you run it, it's going to be your domain.com / whatever directory you choose / run.php. So we are going to do that right now. Once we do that, then TurboZon Builder Pro is going to start the install process. And then all we'll need to do is to click Run Install. And then we'll fill out this form, which will give us our login and password. You'll then sign in with the login and password that you then created. And then you will have installed TurboZon Builder Pro. And of course, you will go through the configuration process just as you would with the basic version. So you'll want to put in your secret key, your access key, your country, and then your Amazon Associate ID. If you have not created an IM user, you'll want to go and do that now. And there is a video that will show you how to do that in this tutorial package. But once you've saved your information, you can come back to the Products tab and you can begin the process of adding certain products. So we're going to click Add a Product, and then we're going to add in a keyword or key phrase. In this particular case, we're going to type in coffee cup and we're going to click Create. You'll then see your term, the link to view, and then the link to edit. We will start by clicking the link to edit. Now, one of the things you'll notice is that you can actually use this menu in the Pro version to change the size of the font, as well as to change the color without having to enter the code. What you can also do is you can delete just as you did before, and then you'll click the Save button. And then once again, to refresh the items, you can click the Update button, and then that will bring you back to 10. And that works just in the same way as it did in the basic version. Now in the Pro version, we can actually add items, and we're going to do that right now. And we're going to write in our catchphrase. Now for the second example, we've actually typed in computer mouse. So let's take a look to see our results. You're going to notice that there are more than books. You can actually see an actual mouse here. And once again, you'll be able to use these listings on your page. And in the Pro version, you will find items other than books in your results. Of course, you can eliminate the ones that you do not want and then add in the ones that you do. Once you have done that, you can then click Save. And then you can go back to your products area. Now you'll be able to add multiple products inside of TurboZon Builder Pro without having to delete any of them, and you'll be able to use them and reuse them over and over on your pages. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.